Oh, that was a sweet fill. All right, I'm out. When YouTube collaboration with Ken Griffin, I don't know. I could try to invite him onto the stream, see if he'd like to talk about his volatility positions and why they manage them in such a strange manner. Do you still 200 before split or more like 160, 180? I never thought 200 before split. Conservative price target's always like 10 to 12% above Gamma Max, whatever Gamma Max is that day. How Kramer not in jail for market manipulation for pushing coke and it dipped the next day? What? You do know that like you can just say anything you want about the market at any time. That's not market manipulation. It doesn't matter how many people listen to you. You know, there's like entire newspapers dedicated to opinion pieces about the market. Hey, Greg, totally a paying member here with a comment. Remember when I asked you how much my 80 cent 137Ps would be worth tomorrow? Sold them at 360. Pretty sweet, man. Congratulations, dude. Do you think we'll be under 40 next Thursday? I think about selling my shares and rebuying. You're kidding, right, TG? OpenSea laid off 20% of their workforce. I know, I heard. People talking about the market? Crime. Yeah. So did Splivited or MOASS was complete bullshit then? Hmm. No, but it could trigger something. It's just gonna take a while. If we experience the same thing Tesla went through, which is still really shaky, but if we were to, it could still trigger run-ups. I said it could trigger run-ups in the beginning. I never said it was gonna start fucking MOASS. Ding ding. Anyway, this is over. So we got rug pulled. All the weekly call buyers got the fucking rug pulled right out from underneath them on our biggest volume spike of the day. And you know, now the market makers have made a bunch of money and we can continue forward with less worry of an unstable floor, as hopefully people that did take profits will position better this time around. Being sus is always the best. Be suspicious of everything. It's a good way to live your life. Um, as for the market, kind of rallying a little bit into the end of today. Um, I think, you know, provided nothing big changes overnight, it could continue to push up into the morning. If it breaks through this upper part of this trend, with some sufficient volume, it could really start to move. You know, it could bounce back, you know, up to this 381 range here. Um, Obviously not recapturing all of its losses over the last week, but a tiny bit, and you know, maybe find a new floor and stabilize. We are still in SLD. It could still be rejected. Overnight futures and Chinese markets into the early morning will be our really only predictor of how this is going to turn out. But yeah, it absolutely could see more downside. So be wary of that. If you're carrying spy positions overnight, best of luck to you. I wouldn't have, but no after hours action expected. I'm just kind of doing the wrap up. Spy 360 tomorrow. That's awfully ridiculous. SPY 520 also completely ridiculous. Less, the 360 was less ridiculous. 520 is absurd. What day was SLD in January? Oh fuck, I don't remember. OPEX, 21st, right? Wednesday before OPEX, so 20th, 19th, something like that. I'm like 90% sure tomorrow is Friday. It is. Tomorrow is Friday. Jimmy stabilizing right around that 135 mark. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. People still buying short dated calls, so we may have a little pop in the morning, but a lot of the exposure was blown off today. So that massively positive hedge is severely wounded, which might be a good thing going into next week. Snap kind of ripping right now. Didn't they have earnings tonight? Something like that. ADC up almost 60 up to 60,000 open interest. For what? BBBY? Who gives a shit? We're trading at $4. Ugh, Jesus. Check SPY. Hey, looks like it just had a bunch of volatility. Yeah, this means nothing. So I'll be a loyal viewer until SPY 520. We're gonna be together forever, Bipolar Bear. It is suspected that trend lines go straight through open closes on daily candles on QQQ 7-8 to 7-12. No. GME 144. No. Okay. If you guys are gonna keep saying things are ripping, I'm going away. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Have a good night.